Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Wednesday, the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. First, the national picture, and the focus very much remains across northern Australia. We have the monsoon trough and a low pressure system, and together they are dragging down a lot of tropical moisture from the north and down over the Northern Territory and western parts of Queensland. We could also see some flooding to this part of the country over the next few days. Further east, severe thunderstorms remain a possibility near the coast, and for more information on this rain and storms, we do have a dedicated severe weather update video which is available to watch now. Away from the rain and storms though, we have a slow moving and dominant high pressure system to the south. That's causing a lot of hot air to pour over Western Australia, so heatwave conditions are really building through there. A different story though for the southeast. We've got cold southwesterly winds bringing another cool day to Tasmania and also parts of southern Victoria. So now state by state look, starting off with Queensland. Cloudy with rain and storms for pretty much the entire state except for the far southwest and southern interior. Heavy falls are possible at the Gulf country and the northwest, and we do have a flood watch current for that part of Queensland. But more broadly, severe thunderstorms are possible over a wide area, all the way from the northwest through Longreach and down into the southeast of the state, including for Brisbane and also the Gold Coast, with the risk of heavy falls. But under cloud cover, a little bit milder day in Brisbane, 29 degrees with a possible shower or severe thunderstorm, but remaining quite warm and humid right up and down the east coast. Now to New South Wales, you will see further showers and storms across the far northeast of the state. Those could turn severe during the afternoon. A couple of showers also along the mid-north coast, but through the day, we will see a southerly wind change push up the coast. That'll bring some showers along the south coast, moving up into the Illawarra, and they should get to about Sydney by midnight. So for Sydney, we are expecting those showers to come through on Thursday. That would be Christmas morning. Despite those showers though, we're expecting a warm and fairly humid day along the coast. Inland though, dry and warm, getting up into the high 20s to the mid 30s. For Sydney, a sunny day, possibility of a very late shower, but that's more likely into Thursday morning. Canberra sunny with a warm top of 28. Now to Victoria, we will see a very weak surface trough that'll bring a few showers along the southern coastline, as far north as about the Grampians, but also through Melbourne's eastern suburbs out towards the ranges. They'll gradually contract away through the day, but it'll be quite a cool day with the southwesterly winds coming through, and those winds will tend colder southerly, so it does mean a cold Thursday, and that'll be Christmas Day across Victoria. Warm and dry in the north, 28 for Mildura. For Melbourne, cloudy, a possible shower in the morning and afternoon with a top of 21 degrees. Now to Tasmania, we'll see scattered to widespread showers across the west coast, more isolated elsewhere, but we could also see that snow level falling through the day. So we'll start at about 1,000 metres, but by night time, drop to 800 metres in the south. So for Hobart, it will be quite windy with that wind chill coming through as well, 16 degrees with showers through the day. A dry day for Launceston with a top of 18 degrees. In South Australia, we'll see a few showers about Kangaroo Island down towards the Limestone coast. Those will gradually start to clear as we head into the afternoon. A little bit of remaining cloud along the southern coastline, but that will also start to push away. But with southerly winds, temperatures will be up to 5 degrees below average. So a mild day in the south, but remaining quite hot across northern parts of South Australia. For Adelaide, possibility of a very light morning shower, but then a dry day to follow with a top of 25 degrees. Now to Western Australia, the heat is very much building. We'll see severe heatwave conditions along the west coast, including for Perth. A little bit milder along the south coast with those winds, but we will also see extreme fire danger for parts of the areas to the north and also to the east of Perth. So 39 degrees, very hot in Perth, and a little bit stormy up towards the Gascoyne and the Pilbara. Finally, for northern Australia, it is all about that rain and that monsoon trough. We do have a flood watch current for parts of the Gulf Coast and also down towards the Barkly district in the Northern Territory. But for other areas, we're expecting widespread storms across the top end and into the northern Kimberley, but remaining dry and hot across the interior. So for Darwin, showers and a possible storm with 32 degrees, hot for Alice Springs with 37. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.